All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to enter my free $25 Bitcoin giveaway. I did a video on that, and you can find the details of that giveaway on the description part of the video. If you have questions or comments, or if you'd like me to look into a project to GPU mine, please let me know in the comments section. So today I want to talk about BitcoiNote. And here I'm on their website, BitcoiNote.org. In privacy, we trust. Private, fast, scalable, and open source coin based on Cryptonight-Lite variant 1. Here, if you want to buy some, you can click here, but I don't think that link is active, so we're going to talk about where you can buy it in a little bit on their Bitcoin Talk forum. You can download the wallet here. I did a Windows wallet, desktop wallet. BitcoiNote is a decentralized public blockchain and cryptocurrency project that is fully open source. The coin combines the familiarity of Bitcoin and advantages of the Cryptonite-Lite variant algorithm. It is a third-generation cryptocurrency that resolves the issues of Bitcoin. Ranked on these websites here, you can check it out when you get a chance. I'm just going to do a brief overview today for the purpose of mining. So here are the exchanges. You can buy some on if you want to buy it. Okay, here are the features of the coin. BitcoiNote is the most secure cryptocurrency on the market. We are introducing innovative technologies to make the coin lightweight yet extremely secure. Features like ring signatures make BitcoiNote extremely private, while innovations like our unique algorithms ensure stability and ASIC resistance. So as a GPU miner, we always like to see ASIC and FPGA resistance. Moving on, BitcoiNote has to be accessible to everyone. Our goal is to make it lightweight enough so that you will be able to mine it from your smartphone or even IoT devices, Internet of Things devices. BitcoiNote stands for real privacy, speedy transactions, dynamic block sizes, and the possibility to mine coins with just a mobile phone or IoT device. Thanks to the best feature of the Cryptonite-Lite variant 1 algorithm, the dynamic block size, short validation time, and difficulty recalculated with every block. Transactions are never backlogged. Here are the specifications of the coin. Symbol is BTCN. Algorithm, again, Cryptonite-Lite variant 1, important to know for mining purposes. Supply is 21 million, not bad. Mimics Bitcoin. Decimal is 8. Protocol proof of work. Block size dynamic. Block time 120 seconds. Difficulties recalculated with every block. Key advantages: fast and easy to mine, cheap to transact, completely private, ASIC resistant. Privacy. Privacy is essential in a cryptocurrency. Thanks to ring signatures, you can transact completely anonymously. The Cryptonite-Lite variant 1 algorithm uses a traceable ring signature that allows tracing the sender of two different messages if they contain the same key image and are signed by the same private key. A user can only produce one valid signature under his private key. The two different signatures under the same key, a double spend attempt, can easily linked together and only will be stored in the blockchain. That ensures no double spending is possible. Here they have a diagram explaining ring signature. I also pulled up an article on Wikipedia basically defining ring signature as a type of digital signature that can be performed by any member of a group of users that each have keys. Therefore, a message signed with a ring signature is endorsed by someone in a particular group of people. One of the security properties of a ring signature is that it should be computationally infeasible to determine which of the group members' keys was used to produce the signature. So you can read more about that when you get a chance. Again, just doing a brief overview for tutorial on mining purposes. ASIC resistance, again, like we said. What is special about the Cryptonite-Lite variant algorithm? 100% anonymity. Thanks to Cryptonite-Lite variant 1 and its ring signature technology, you can sign a message on behalf of a group of of a group, and your signature remains indistinguishable from other group signatures. The variant Diffie-Hellman's exchange protocol and multiple unique one-time addresses make it impossible to cross-link payments of the same receiver. Fair proof of work, everyone can do it, no double spending again. Adaptive limits, both difficulty and block size adjust automatically for each new block. Here's the wallet miner, here's the link to the GitHub. And here's their roadmap. So it looks like they've been around since Q3 2017. And you can read about what they've accomplished in the past. The most recent update to their roadmap is here, 2019. Looks like they've done most of it, if not all of it. I don't know of a mobile wallet. You can check that out more when you get a chance. And here's the official pool, BitcoinNote pool, which is what I'm using. And you have some links for Cryptonite and Community Pool here, if you don't want to use their pool. Here are their social media links. Again, I would check these out. Have some more information. I pulled up their Bitcoin talk. In privacy we trust. Okay, so here's the white paper. I did not see that on their main website. It's I don't go over the white paper. It gets into technical things. I'm just going to do a brief overview, but I highly recommend that you check that out when you get a chance. Here are the downloads and pools, the wallet exchanges again, coin specification like we went over. Here's some key features, private, ASIC resistance, airdrops and bounties. Looks like those are done. And their social media links. I have some information here about on cryptunit.com, 100% private, ASIC resistant, adaptive limits. Basically just a review of what I had been speaking about. Here's the pool I'm on. It's BTCN mining pool. Here's the mining address. You need that for your command line. And your ports. I'm using port 3332. Here's the algorithm, Cryptonite-Lite. You need to know that. So you're going to download your wallet, get your address. Here you can generate a configuration. And we're going to be using xmrig-Nvidia CUDA. Let's go to Simplemining. As you can see, I'm mining it right now. I'm using my Equihash overclock settings, but you want to adjust your GPUs to overclock the way you want it, and you do so at your own risk, of course, as always. All right, let's look at the group config. So as you can see, I'm using xmrig-Nvidia. I'm using CUDA 9.1. Here's the command line. So you're going to take this command line. -A is the algorithm you're using. So you're going to use Cryptonite-Lite. -O is the address, pool address, in the port. Like I said, 3332. And after -U, you're going to put your wallet address. This is mine. Of course, you don't want to use that. And -P is the password, which is just X. So let's add a group. You're going to go all the way down here. You're going to use xmrig-Nvidia. And I'm using xmrig-Nvidia 9.1. Cut that out, add in, and that's your command line. Group name, I usually do BitcoinNote, or the name of the project. Here, in group description, I put the pool and what I'm using for a miner. So let's go to rig list. I can show you how I am mining successfully with that command line. Here, as you can see, I'm getting shares, accepted, and I'm successfully mining 6,369 hashes. Here you can see I'm on their pool, and down here, Cryptonight-Lite. That's going to be it for today. I hope this helps. I hope this gets you up and running quickly. If you're interested in mining BitcoiNote, let me know what you think about the project. Have you mined it? Do you know about it? Give me some feedback on it. I'm just doing a brief overview, and I'm not endorsing the project. I'm just doing a mining tutorial to help people out in case they're interested in mining this. So please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate it. Don't forget to enter my Bitcoin giveaway, $25, enter free. Check out that video for details and descriptions. And if you have any other questions or comments, or if you want me to look into a project to GPU mine, let me know. I appreciate it. And thanks to all. I appreciate all the new subscribers. And until next time.